Okay, back again with another original Xbox. I already have this opened up. This is the third one of these I was doing today, and I thought, why not record a video? The issue with this is, well, let's see. I'm gonna plug a power cord in, and it automatically turns on without pressing the power button. And then I go to press the power button, and it doesn't turn off. So there's a fault with the power button. I'm finding this to be somewhat common. There's a handful of motherboard revisions out there, but so far I've only fixed it on one revision. I'll show you what I mean here. Okay, so if you have this board revision, we're going to be looking right down here where the power button connects. That's this yellow wiring harness, and you'll have 6 of these resistors all right here, and we're going to do some quick measurements. I don't have a problem with the eject button, but I'll show you where to check anyway. You're gonna put a multimeter in continuity mode and put it on this second pin on the yellow connector there. And then you are going to check for continuity to this side of this resistor. Of course, my multimeter's off. Let me turn that on. Okay. Right there and right here. So the eject button's fine, and I already knew that. Next, we're going to go to the power button, and I expect to get beeps here. That's on this resistor and this one, because the problem is never the power connector to the resistors, but it's from the resistors to a chip. So as I move the microscope, I ought to show you, we're going to put one probe right here, and then we're going to come over to this chip. And as I have it facing, it's going to be on the right side, fourth chip. Fourth leg, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have no continuity. And in case you were wondering if you're troubleshooting the eject button, that's going to be back over here on this resistor. And then back over to the chip. On the top left, the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course we knew the eject button was working. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a jumper wire. First thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of flux down on that fourth leg there. And then I'm going to prep it with a little bit of solder. That'll make attaching a wire a lot easier. I'm going to do the same thing back over here on that resistor. And I'm going to go right there. And put a little bit of solder there. Okay, now I'm going to use enameled wire. And let's get this connected right here. With enameled wire, you need to hold the heat there long enough to melt off the enamel coating. Then remove it. And I'm going to feed this wire through here. Let's switch lighting supplies. And I'm going to use a little bit of Kapton tape to just kind of hold this down so that it doesn't get caught up on anything. I'm going to put one right there, and I'm going to put one more over here. You watching the live show, Banks? Okay, now let's get this position here. Then we're going to, oh, I grabbed the wrong tweezers. We're going to solder that, and oh, it didn't take. A little bit longer. Okay, good. Now, am I in focus? Pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna break this off. A little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, now we're back here and I'm gonna show you. All we did was repair the broken trace. We ran our own trace. Plugged the power button in and there, uh-oh. Well, shit, it didn't work. Let me check the continuity on that. Oh, because I went to the 5th pin instead of the 4th. Golly. Classic mistake. Kind of stupid, but you know, that's what you make mistakes sometimes, and then you gotta go back and fix it. That's all. It's the recording, you know, nervousness. Okay. Sorry, do we want to see what I'm doing here? I'm going... Who caught that mistake watching this video? It'd be like, he said the 4th and then he soldered it to the 5th. What a bonehead. Okay. And now I'm going to do the same test. Ba-ba-da-ba. No power. And that's good because I haven't pressed the power button yet. And I press the power button and boom! And we're done. Thank you for watching.